If you're serious about trading US 30 or NASDAQ in 2025, this video is your ultimate guide to following indices signals on Telegram. We'll walk you through 6 expert-backed steps to boost your win rate, minimize losses, and automate your success. Let's get started. Not all Telegram signal groups are created equal. Join only channels with verified performance history, transparent strategy, real-time updates, consistent results. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, it's 100% free to join and delivers NASDAQ plus US 30 signals directly to your phone. Don't blindly copy trades. Each signal includes entry price, stop loss, take profit market rationale. Take a moment to check. Is the signal trend aligned? Is the risk to reward ratio healthy? Does it match your capital and strategy? Tip: even free 𝗟𝐿 FX signals are crafted by 7 to 12 expert traders using both technical and fundamental analysis. Missed signals, missed profits. Always turn on notifications for your signal channel. Signals often drop during peak market hours, usually right before NYSE opens, 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. EST. Timely execution makes a major difference when trading volatile indices like US 30 and NAS 100. But hey, even with notifications turned on, life happens. You might be away from your phone, caught up in a meeting, or simply late by 60 seconds. And in the world of indices like US 30 and NASDAQ, 60 seconds can cost you hundreds of dollars. That's 𝗟𝐿 FX has introduced their automated signal copier. This tool automatically copies trades from 𝗟𝐿 FX indices channel directly into your MT4, MT5 account, instantly, without delay, and with full control over your lot size and risk management. No signal is 100% win rate. So here's how you protect yourself. Risk only 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Respect the SL given in the signal. Don't over-leverage or revenge trade. Remember, signals are guidance, not guarantees. A consistent risk strategy is your only insurance in the markets. Lucky for you, every VIP member of 𝗟𝐿 FX Signal Group gets a risk management guideline tailored to their specific needs. Data builds discipline. Keep a log of every signal you follow. Note whether you executed it on time, manually, or via Copier. Track wins, losses, drawdowns, and missed opportunities. With this habit, you'll discover your strong points and improve decision-making. Now you know the exact playbook to follow indices signals on Telegram in 2025 the right way. Join 𝗟𝐿 FX's free indices channel today, automate with the trade copier, follow smart risk, and let data guide your journey. All links are in the description. Until next time, trade smart and stay profitable. Subscribe, like, comment with your favorite index to trade, US 30 or NAS 100.